So I just want to start this video off and thank everyone who came and voted for my project in the 24-hour startup challenge. It is now over and we got second place and we won $500, which is super exciting. And I kind of want to talk about in this video the future of CodePonder and what my plans are with it. So I've decided at least a little bit of what I want to do with it, and I do want to continue working on it. And the way I'm going to work on it is I'm going to start streaming and working on it and live streaming the progress of it. And I'm planning on rebuilding it from scratch and live streaming just rebuilding it from scratch, that process, and then take it from there and kind of build it properly. And I'm going to be streaming it on Twitch TV/BinAwad, and then I'm also going to post them up on YouTube. Now, before I can actually start streaming, there are a few things that I need to work out. The first is I kind of want to write a spec for an MVP for it, or a minimum viable product for it. Basically what I want to have in the scope of the project. So that's what I'm going to try writing down today and make a video about tomorrow. And then the second part is the design of the website. So I was using Semantic UI for what I used in the challenge, and I didn't really like it that much, to be honest. So one option is to actually go ahead and choose a different kind of Bootstrap or UI library. Or I could go with styling it myself and styling my own UI, which is kind of what I'm leaning towards. But I'm not sure what I'm going to do, because I'm not actually super design oriented, and usually I work from a mock-up. So here are some thoughts that I had. Is one, maybe use the prize money and use something like 99 Designs and get kind of a mock-up built for us. And then option two, I'm kind of thinking about, I really like minimalist design and bare bones, and then possibly go with kind of a Reddit design where it's super basic and try mocking it up myself in Figma or something like that. So those are the two things I'm trying to decide. Is I'm going to be figuring out what all the features that I want for it and outlining that, and then also figuring out how the heck I'm going to do the design for it, or what the design is going to be. And then after that, I'm basically going to start working on it and build it. And my plan for it is to just stream every day, working on it. And instead of doing a huge chunk of time, basically I'm thinking an hour or two each day working on it, and we'll see how fast we can actually finish this project, because that's really my goal with it. Is I'd like to complete it, and I think I'll be able to get it pretty fast just live streaming the progress of it, but we'll see how it goes. Anyway, that's my thoughts on what I'm planning on doing with CodePonder. Love your guys' input on what you think I should do going forward.